the President of Uganda and Chairman of NRM will express interest, will come to pick expression of interest forms himself, like all other candidates, on 28th June 2025. He will pick expression of interest forms for two positions. One, for chairperson of the party, and the other to contest, if he's given chance, for presidential flag bearer. So I want to call upon the NRM fraternity in Uganda, first to notify them that the chairman of the party will be appearing himself at plot 13, the home of the NRM Electoral Commission.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.